How to add RSS feed to Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add the RSS feed into your specific Squarespace website. So the first thing that we need to do is to head over rss.app, not .com, because .com or rss.com is going to be specific for podcasts. We're going to head over rss.app, then we are going to sign in for an account, and from here, we are going to head over my feeds. Now we are going to click on create a new feed, and then we're going to select the feed that we want to create. So for example, you are going to set up newsletter feeds, topics, and websites. So we're going to set up for example, a web page, RSS feed, Instagram, or all the social media feeds that could be added. So you can have here the pre-made ones, for example, from CNN, NPR, as you can see, USA Today, Daily Motion, and etc. These are going to facilitate the task for you. Or you can go ahead and click on a web page to here, as you can see, web page URL. In our case, I have chosen, for example, Fox News. So it is going to be something like that. We are going to have here the as you can see, the specific URL, and then we are going to enter in here. We are going to click on generate, and then it will take a little bit of time, not that much, but it is going basically to set up the feed for it. So here I do not see the feed, but maybe we're going to have here the feed is installed. So we are going to have the feed. Uh, we are going to maybe have the URL, so you can go ahead and click on generate in here. Depends on the feed. Yes, it is the right feed for Fox News. So we are going to have the overview, the widget type, and etc. So this is the widget. Now what we're going to do is to make sure that we are going to select the type of the widget and the styles. We have the news wall, we have a list, carousel, image board, ticker, magazine, and feed. So we're going to have maybe this feed. This is going to be a long feed, so I'm not going to be interested in that. Maybe a news wall, something like that. We're going to save it to continue. So we are going to save it and click on add to website. We're going to have the JavaScript URL or something like that. So for the specific one we have here, we are going to copy the JavaScript only or the iframe, doesn't matter. We're going to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going basically to select the account dashboard. Once you're here, what are we going to do basically is to head over this specific page, select the page that we want to add this feed, click on edit. So it is going to show up the Squarespace website editor. Now we are going to add maybe a specific section for it. So we are going to add section. Preferably it is going to be a blank section. Now we are going to add a block. For the block, we're going to have code and we're going to put it to the middle. So I'm going to stretch it a little bit because as you saw, so I have just said that we need a specific here a big feed, or not a big feed, but a large section. We're going to double tap in here and then we can go ahead and add the snippet. So if you forgot about the snippet, click on add in here again. We're going to paste the code that we have and it is going to be in HTML. So as you can see, this is or adding a JavaScript and iframe embeds is going to be a premium feature. So you can go ahead and have here the premium feature in here. And if you do not have the premium feature, we can go ahead and add an embed instead. Click on embed, double tap in here, click on link, and then you're going to have the URL. So we are going to put our URL in here. So we are going to have it just like that, and boom. So we are going to wait for it because here we have something that it is going to be reading it as invalid. So it doesn't matter a lot. So basically that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.